This little gadget is made by Golden, and it's just a miniature jar opener that you can use, especially good for these metal tubes. The plastic ones seem to open easier anyway, but it just slips inside there so that you're not bending the metal or hurting your hand on opening these once they've been opened, and they get stuck because a little bit of paint gets in there. And this paint is really good glue, by the way, so it's great for collage and mixed media. Here is one more little tool that I use quite often. It's wonderful for these plastic tubes and the metal tubes. You're going to cinch it down on the end and then hold it firmly in this hand and then crank it in this hand. And what it does is it's pushing all of the remaining paint up to the top of this tube. So it makes it much easier then to get all the paint out, utilize all the paint out of the tube. It works extremely well with these metal tubes too. You can see how it will crimp it even as you work your way up the tube. And that helps keep these tubes from, you know, when you open them and they get twisted, they'll get little cracks in them, and then the paint on the inside will dry and your tube is no good. So this tool will help you crimp it up instead of trying to use your hands to do this, and it'll keep it a lot nicer and smoother. So that's another tool that you might want to consider investing in.